Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. We just finished up Tim's road glide. Tim and his wife took the 2.5-hour drive from Pennsylvania to New Jersey to get the audio upgraded on this beautiful mint condition road glide. So went a little bit different on this one. This one was a stage 2 high power, no woofers in the bags, just 6 fines on the lids, 6 navs in the lowers, 6 navs in the fairings. We went with flashed radio, Rockford DSR1 DSP, NVS Audio plug and play T-harness, Ground Zero red basket coax in the fairing, Ground Zero red basket coax in the lowers, Hertz 690 Neo in the lids. We used 2 Sound Digital Evo X2 800.4s, the first one running the 4 6.5s, and the second one bridged to the 6 fines to get us a good amount of mid bass. Oxygen-free copper wire and everything. Bike was RTA tuned. Sounds phenomenal. Tim's completely blown away with how loud and clear the bike sounds. Nice solid install. He'll be taking the bike to Maryland in a couple of weeks for Ocean City, and hope he enjoys it. Check out the build. Nice and clean.
We got a little crazy, but we never got caught. Down by the river on a Friday night, pyramid of cans in the pale moonlight. Talking about cars and dreaming about women. Never had a plan, just a living for the minute. Yeah, way down yonder on the Chattahoochee, you never knew how much that muddy water meant to me. But I learned how to swim and I learned who it was. A lot about filled with pickup trucks. Got old Hank cranking way up now. Got coolers in the back, tailgates down. There's a big fire burning, but don't be alarmed. It's just country boys and girls getting down on the farm. And it's been on the tractor. Call them cool, those hearts that have no scars to show, the ones that never do let go and risk the tables being turned. We call them fools.
Business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Mama, please don't worry about me. I'm about to let my heart speak. My friends keep telling me to leave this. So let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this.